Hey, welcome back to my channel, Chal Chakra. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to share you one technique which I follow since long, and it's really helping me a lot to manifest a lot of things in my life. And this is without wasting your time. You can do it daily, and it's a very easy way to manifest your life. What you need to do is, like, while daily doing your daily routine after taking the bath, when you see yourself in the mirror while applying your daily creams or you're doing any type of makeup, then also you can follow this particular practice. So what I do, I make sure when I'm applying cream on anything on my face, I try to do the eye contact. And when you are talking to the mirror and manifesting your life and repetitively you are doing it, soon you will see that you will be able to attract that particular thing in your life. So how you need to do it? So daily you have to see yourself in the mirror and say the positive affirmation related to your life. But make sure whenever you are manifesting your life, you have to manifest one thing at a time. Let's say you're looking for the glowing skin, you have to see yourself in the mirror daily and you have to say the positive affirmation and tap your skin like this and say, "Thank you so much, universe, for this glowing skin. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much." And the second, what you can do is, let's say you are looking for abundance in your life, you're looking for a money. So very simple thing that you need to do is that you have to do the eye contact in the mirror, because eye contact is very important. When you're doing the eye contact and you're saying something, then that is directly connected to your subconscious mind. When it is connected to your subconscious mind, that become easy for you to manifest your life. So let's say you're looking for a money, you're looking for the success in your life. So daily you have to see yourself in the mirror and there should be the eye contact and say that I am blessed, I am a money magnet, money comes to me easily. I am blessed by the universe, everything works in my favor, and keep on repeating, "Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, universe, for this beautiful life." But make sure when you're repeating this affirmation, you should feel that how blessed you are, and there should be the eye contact in the mirror, because eye contact will help you to stuck that particular thing in your subconscious mind. And once that is there in your subconscious mind that you are blessed by the universe and you attract things very easily in your life, you will be started seeing that gradually and slowly your business will started growing. Career wise, you will be seeing more stability in your life, because you need to remember that human bodies are made up of stardust. Whatever you think in your mind, you will end up attracting this. And this particular practice daily in the morning while doing your daily routine, if you're talking to yourself in a positive way, you can change a lot of things in your life. The third one, which is the most important problem of the world, is a love life. First, you need to understand that why we struggle in our love life. So we struggle in the love life because we don't have the self-love. We are always like, how to impress my partner. We prioritize other people rather than our own self. And don't go with my words. Just see around you. People who are more into the self-love or who cultivate self-love, they love themselves a lot. You will notice that their love life is more sorted as compared to the people who always compromise or who always thinks about others' happiness. Here, I'm not asking you to selfish, but I'm asking only to cultivate the self-love. If you cultivate the self-love in your own self, do this continuously for 3 months and you are going to notice that everyone around you started loving you, they started appreciating you, because you are loving your own self. How you need to cultivate the self-love? So the first way of cultivating the self-love is that do something that makes you happy. It can be anything, like it can going out for the shopping, taking care of your skin, spending time alone, meditation, spending time with your loved one. Anything that makes you happy, go ahead with it without compromising on your own self. And the most important is that when you start your day, see yourself in the mirror and feel how beautiful you are, how much glowing your skin is, how beautiful you are from the outside as well as from the inside, because inside beauty matters a lot. So the day when you started feeling like I'm a beautiful soul, and you will be started noticing that people around you will start appreciating you. Make sure that daily in the morning when you're seeing yourself in the mirror and feel how blessed you are. And the best way is that start hugging yourself and say, I'm so beautiful, I'm a beautiful soul. If you follow these small tips in your life, it will help you a lot. And this is the most effective and the simplest way to manifest your life is talking in the mirror, seeing yourself reflection in the mirror, and the eye contact is the most important thing that you need to take care of. Because when there is an eye contact, that means whatever you are speaking and whatever you are saying, that is directly going in the subconscious mind. And the day when it is stuck in your subconscious mind that you are lucky, you'll started noticing that everything will start working in your favor. Things will become more simpler for you. If you like the video, then don't forget to share this video with your loved one and subscribe my channel for daily tips like